It's a grimy, goosey problem along the Foster City waterfront, and it's becoming a health issue. And now city leaders say it may be time to take a major step to control the goose population.
But as KPIX5's Max Darrow reports, the idea doesn't sit well with everybody.
For years, Foster City has tried method after method to keep the Canada goose population under control, but the population continues to grow as these migratory birds don't seem to be migrating. Now they're considering taking a drastic step. Whether waddling along the waterfront or meandering through parks, Canada geese live among the Foster City locals.
I just consider them to be part of the whole landscape of our city.
The city estimates there are around 320 geese that live in Foster City, but the city is considering a plan to reduce that number. Mayor Sanjay Gehani says the birds themselves aren't the concern, it's the droppings they leave behind.
It's in our parks, it's in our lagoon system near our beaches, it's in our public walkways. We've got our children coming home from soccer practice rolled up in it. It's a real challenge.
The mayor says the city has noted an increase in E. coli in water samples taken at the Foster City lagoons, beaches, and one of the primary accelerants is goose feces. They've tried to get some of the geese to relocate, tried to slow reproductive efforts, but nothing has seemed to work. So the city is looking to acquire a geese depredation permit, which would allow them to capture and kill some of the geese.
This was a really difficult decision for us to consider moving forward in this direction. Now, this is absolutely a last-ditch effort out of concern for our children's well-being, the health and safety of our community.
Locals with a mixed bag of reactions.
That's what they do with deer and other animals. I'm not saying I favor that, but there's definitely a problem and there's not an easy answer.
I don't understand why we would have to take such drastic action.
The geese do cause a problem, but you know, maybe we just need to live with it and be careful with our children.
The mayor says nothing is set in stone yet. They wouldn't move forward with this until mid-2022, and they plan to get feedback from locals in the coming weeks and months. But he says something must be done soon.
And we're expecting that if we don't do anything at all, they'll continue to increase at double-digit figures.
In Foster City, Max Darrow, KPIX 5.